Namaste. In this video, we are going to run Django application via Colab and expose it with Ngrok. Okay. So first, you need to install the Django and PyNgrok libraries. With pip install Django and pip install PyNgrok. After installation of libraries, you have to clone your project. The help of git clone, and then you have to go to that folder. So as you can see, the libraries are being installed. So I will git clone my project which is written in Django. After cloning my project, I will go to that folder, my person cd projects here. After that, we will do basic Django operations, and yeah, you can create the super user which we create in Django to manage the database and all. So after that, we will run the application via threading, and then expose it via ngrok. Done. So our application is running on ngrok. You can see here. Done. Our application is working. Thanks for watching the video, and I will give this notebook link in the comment box. Make sure you like this video. Thank you.